Morning, everybody. It's 9 o'clock on this Monday, the 19th of December. And before I give you any information about stocks, we have a half day on Friday and we're closed on Monday. So things ought to get really quiet Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, when I came down this morning, the stock futures were a little bit higher. Dow was up about 55. Currently, it is down 32. Nasdaq up $6, and the S&P down $2. So it's pretty quiet all around. Asia is lower. Europe is slightly higher. And there are a whole bunch of stocks here that don't actually have news but have major moves. But before we get to that, I will tell you that Avatar did 134 million from Thursday night, so an extended weekend, and it was still an underperformance versus expectations. So we'll have to see how Disney takes a look at that. I think, you're talking about a movie that cost $2 billion. So 134 million is just a drop in the bucket. Aerojet Rocketdyne being bought by L3 Harris. This looks pretty much like a take under as opposed to a takeover. The stock is trading 55.98, and that is just up $1.05. The deal is roughly 4.7 billion, including um, debt. Madrigal Mgdl results from a study, phase 3 actually, on NASH, which is the non-alcohol related liver issue. And the stock is trading, closed on Friday at 63. It has traded as high as 213, and the last looks to be around 200, which is up 137 points, or just a scant 213%. There's no news that I can find on COSM, which is a company that reverse split the stock last week, 1 for 25, and this morning, 1 for 25, and then it ran back up. Today, it's giving it all back, $11.80 off $11.60. A fairly substantial move, but again, I find no real news on it. Same situation with VKTX, which is a therapeutics company. This one is on the upside, and that is closed 402. High so far for the day is 825. Last is 656, up 248, and that is just a scant 62%. That's really about it. There's really not that much going on. In the futures market, we have grains down across the board, with the exception of soybean oil. Oil itself, crude, is up $1.07, although it has been up a little bit more. And heating oil is down 1.3 cents. Gasoline is up about 3 cents, and nat gas is down 44 at 6.15. The low there is let's see, 606, which is an area I'd like to be a buyer of oil in, but we'll have to see how that shakes out. We also have the gold, basically unchanged, up $1. We have the silver up about 9 cents, and copper trading 380 up about almost 4 cents. But that one was up as high as 382 and as low as 376 and a half. So pretty much an unimpressive performance. Cattle is closed. The softs are pretty much unchanged. Cotton up 38 cents. Coffee down a nickel. Sugar up 28 cents, which is a fair size move. It's well over 8%. And the lumber is not open yet. Again, as the futures go, um, up or down 75 cents in the S&P. Nasdaq showing up 11, but there's a big fair value issue there, and I think it's about $9. So basically unchanged. And the Dow is, let's see, I want to say down a little bit again, but I'll give you an update now. Dow futures are up 3, but fair value is $18.50. So we're down 15.5 there. All I can the bonds are down almost 1.5. And what's interesting here is there seems to be a little bit of a decoupling between the dollar and the bonds. Usually, when bonds go down like that, meaning higher interest rates, we generally see an increase in the valuation given the dollar. The dollar is down about 7 cents, and as I said, we're down about a point and a half in the bonds here. And that's about it. Although I will mention that Tesla 155.44 up $5.21 or 3.5%. Mr. Musk put out a poll for making the decision of whether or not he should remain as the CEO or step down, and step down is winning. All right, everyone. I'll be back later. Have